Y'all, excuse my hair, but I ordered 12 pounds of wax through the affiliate program for Sexy Smooth Wax. So let's open it and yeah, see what we got. It took me a minute to get the box open. I ordered, I think, 2 bags of Tickled Pink, 5 of the Cherry Red, and 5 of the Hypnotic Purple Seduction. Okay, the lighting in here is a little messed up, but here's the cherry. There's the fan. Here's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that was the cherry desire, and this is the purple Hypnotic Purple Seduction. Oh, purple is my favorite color. If you know, you know. So I'm really, really excited about this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's 1 box. I got 2 boxes, so that's 10 of them. So let's see what's in the other box. Open. Use this one. This is the Tickled Pink. And I ordered 2 of these. So 1, 2. Okay, so I ordered 12. So the affiliate program, you order 12 pounds and you get, I don't even remember how many pounds free, but let's count how many pounds we got free because that's our 12. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pounds per week. So the affiliate deal is to become a part of the affiliate program. You order 12 pounds of any of the wax, and I chose to like mix them up a little bit because I wanted to try the cherry and the purple. I already knew that I liked the Tickled Pink, and the Tickled Pink is the first color that they allow you to get free with the 12-pound orders. So I just couldn't remember how many bags it was, but yeah, so I have 8 bags of Tickled Pink that I got for free, and I ordered 2, so that's 10. And then I had 5 Cherry Desire and 5 Hypnotic Purple Seduction. So I have I have 20 pounds. Yes, 20 pounds of wax. Sorry, I had a brain fart. Yeah, it's 20 pounds of wax. Look at this, y'all. This wax. Yes. I'm so excited. So, I will be trying the Purple Hypnotic Seduction soon. And I'll also be trying the Cherry Desire soon as well. And I'm going to link my code so that you can get, I believe it's 20% off. It might be 15%, but I believe it's 20% off. You get 25% off, or either 15 to 20% off when you order wax using my code. So right now the wax is already on sale for $12.50. All of them are, which is 50% off, and then I believe with my code it's another 20%, so that's 70% off. So you should get your wax for about $10 a pound. You can't beat that. And I know for a fact that the Tickled Pink is A1, and I'm so excited I need to get some big containers. So if you guys have any suggestions on where to get some big containers, please drop them in the comments, because yeah, I am about to move, so I'm not gonna like open anything until I move. But yeah, I'm so excited to try it. But I will be linking my code, like I said. If you are a waxer who wants to take advantage of this amazing deal, I would do so ASAP. Inbox me and I can send you like the direct link to the affiliate sign up. And then all you have to do is order the 12 pounds, and then you get 8 pounds for free. Like, you can't beat that.